let's go over how you'll be able to make transfers online. First, type the word transfer in the search bar. Then select the account you would like the transfer to come from. Then select the account you would like your transfer to go to. Next, choose the amount you would like to transfer and the frequency of the transfer. If you would like, you can create a memo for your transfer. Click Review and make sure all of your information is correct. Then click Schedule and your online transfer is complete.